Hi guys, I'm going to go over how to solve equations with variables on both sides and then also multi-step. Basically, everything is multi-step. Okay, so when you have an equation like this with variables on both sides, you need to combine the variables first. So I'm going to choose to subtract 3x first. Now remember, it doesn't matter what you do. If you wanted to subtract 4x, you'd be fine. So this gives us x, or 1x plus 9 is equal to 19. And this ends up being a one-step equation. Subtract 9, x is equal to 10. For the next one, I'm going to choose to subtract 11x. 9x minus 14 is equal to 4. Add 14 to both sides. You get 9x is equal to 18. Divide both sides by 9. X is equal to 2. Let's do multi-step. So remember, with multi-step, you're going to simplify each side of the equal sign, then do what we were just doing. So I'm going to distribute first. 6x minus 18 plus 10, and I can combine those two. So 6x minus 8 is equal to, now distribute here, 4x minus 8, and you can't do anything there, so I'm just going to rewrite it. Oh yeah, this is the weird one. Alright, so then I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to subtract 4x, we get, this is going up here, 2x minus 8 is equal to negative 8, plus 8 plus 8, 2x is equal to 0, divide 0 by 2, x is equal to 0. Okay? And the last one, again, distribute first, you get 32 minus 16x, 12 minus 20x, and then plus 3x. We can combine these, so I have 12 minus 17x, and 32 minus 16x stays the same. What do I want to do? I'm going to add 17x, because that gives me 1x. 32 plus 1x is equal to 12. Subtract 32. And x, or 1x, is equal to negative 20. And that is it. Okay, so I'm going to skip this one and let's do this one. So I'm going to subtract 2c. Actually, I'm going to add 3c because I want a positive. So add 3c. Those go away. You get 8 is equal to 5c minus 2. Add 2. Remember to get rid of that constant. 10 is equal to 5c. Divide by 5, and c is equal to 2. Alright, so